Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare OpenMediaVault and TrueNAS. OpenMediaVault and TrueNAS are both top-tier NAS operating system, but they cater to different needs. OpenMediaVault is a lightweight, Debian-based, and very beginner-friendly. It's perfect for home users who want to run an old PC or small server into a functional NAS without getting too technical. Its web interface is clean, you can easily add plugins, and it supports things like SMP, FTP, SSH, and even Docker with some tweaks. If your goal is home media streaming, simple file sharing, or light backup jobs, OpenMediaVault is a breeze. TrueNAS, on the other hand, is built like a tank. It's more powerful, more robust, and designed for data integrity. It uses ZFS, a file system known for its protection against data corruption, snapshots, compression, and scalability. It's ideal for users who want a simple level features, advanced storage management, and rock-solid reliability. TrueNAS Core is free and open source, while TrueNAS Scale adds Linux-based flexibility and container support. If you're setting up a home server, want something easy to manage and don't need all the bells and wish lists, OpenMediaVault is a solid choice. But if you're serious about data protection, need high-performance storage, or plan on handling large-scale backups or virtualization, TrueNAS is the one to trust. It really comes down to ease versus power. OpenMediaVault for simplicity, TrueNAS for serious storage. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.